welcome to Get-sudo. So in today's video, we are going to use some cool tricks or commands we can use in our terminal. There are a lot of commands in our list. Let's get started. First on the list is Wikit. Wikit is a free and open source command line program. It is built using Node.js. The verb Wikit derived from Wikipedia. To install Wikit on your Linux system, one must have Node.js and npm installed. Here Node.js is JavaScript runtime environment and npm is a package manager for Node.js package. So let's install Node.js. Fire up the terminal and write sudo apt get install Node.js. After installing Node.js, now it's time to install npm. Write sudo apt get install Node.js npm. Now through npm we are going to install Wikit. Write sudo npm install Wikit g. This will install Wikit on your Linux system. After it's done, let's start using Wikit. To start using it, just write Wikit and the article name you want to search for in Wikipedia and hit enter. This will bring you content of Wikipedia in your terminal. Second on the list is Browsh, B-R-O-W-S-H. Browsh is an open source modern text-based browser. Browsh browser renders anything that a modern browser can. HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, you name it. Browsh is useful only when you don't have a good internet connection. It helps you to avoid battery drain of a modern browser from your laptop. Let's install Browsh. We are going to use wget command to install it. We have got here official GitHub page of Browsh. Fire the command wget with the link of GitHub we have here. After firing wget command, so now we have the deb package of Browsh in our Linux system. To install it, we are going to use dpkg command. To use dpkg, we are going to write sudo dpkg -i, name of the deb package we have. After it's done, we are going to write Browsh in our terminal. After shooting that command Browsh, you are going to see Browsh browser in your terminal. All controls, keys and mouse buttons are same as regular browsers. To browse to any site, just tap Ctrl L, which will bring you to the URL bar, and then you can type any site you want. As you can see here, this is how youtube.com looks in the Browsh browser. Coming up to the next, we have Figlet. Figlet is a computer program that generates text banners composed of letters made up of ASCII characters. To install Figlet, write sudo apt install Figlet toilet. This command will install Figlet and Toilet at the same time. In case you are wondering what Toilet command do, it's a fork of Figlet. It enables advanced features such as color in our terminal. For this example, we are writing Figlet-C Get-sudo. So this will bring Get-sudo text at the center of the terminal. We have some support for font also here. For example, write Figlet-F, then name of the font you want to use. After that, text you want to display in double quotes. We can also use Figlet to read the content of any file. So let's create a file. So here we are creating a .txt file using touch command. Touch file.txt will make a .txt file. Now to write something in our text file, we are going to use Nano Editor. Type nano and the name of the file we have. Here we are in the Nano Editor. Now we can make changes in any file. I'm going to write subscribe Get-sudo. And save the file here. To show the content of the file using Figlet, we're going to write Figlet left arrow and the name of the file we have. In this case, file.txt. So as you can see here, now we have the content of the file displayed in our terminal. Now we're going to use toilet command to get some colored banner text. Here we are using some color filters to get colored banners. You can have all available filters present in this command. To know that, type toilet -- filter list. You can use these available filters to make your text or banner look more colorful and different. Next on our list is command name fortune. Fortune is a simple program that displays random, inspirational, sometimes silly phrases. So we're going to use apt-get install command again. After installing it, to use fortune command, just write fortune on your terminal and it will give you some interesting silly phrases from their database. Coming up to the list is cow say command. Cow say generates an ASCII picture of a cow saying something provided by the user. Let's install cow say. Write apt-get install cow say. After installing cow say, let's now use it. To use cow say command, just write cow say space the text you want to display. There you have it, the ASCII picture of a cow saying your text. We can also combine fortune command with cow say command. So let's do it. Just write fortune, use the pipe symbol and write cow say. It will display the ASCII picture of a cow saying the phrase fortune command should have given you. Next up, we have xcow say. As it sounds, it is similar to cow say, but it's graphical. Here we have a graphical cow which would say anything user wants. Install it using apt-get command. After installing, using it is the same as cow say. Just write xcow say and the text you want to display. Here you can see a graphical cow in your terminal saying the text you want to display. And here we are with the last command we have here. It's onecho. Onecho is a very fun command. It gives you a graphical mouse which would be running towards your pointer mouse. As you move your mouse pointer, it will follow it. So these were some fun and interesting, useful commands to use in Linux. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe now and help my channel to grow. Thank you.